My name is Matt Hall. I'm Vegetation Management Supervisor for Southside Electric Co-op. I oversee the trimming of all the right-of-ways and the hazard trees that are being removed and all the contractors that are working on our system. Our vegetation team manages 6,700 miles of line that goes from Bedford County all the way to Dinwiddie County. We've got an estimated 1.5 million trees along our 18-county system, which averages about 200 trees per line mile. Even though Southside Electric has double the amount of trees than the average utility, the vegetation team is up to the task to provide the best power possible for our members. Right now we're standing in one of Southside Electric's right-of-ways, and as you can see, we try to keep it clear 15 feet on each side of the center line right here. A hazard tree is anything that can fall to hit the power line. It could be diseased, it could be dead, it could be a tree that has a lot of lean towards the line, or even a tree that's uprooting that has the potential to cause a power interruption or a power outage. Our vegetation team goes out multiple times a week looking at different sections of line, different circuits of line to look for more hazard trees to ensure that we can keep the lights on. On any given day, we've got about 60 contractors working on our system, trimming trees, removing trees, brush cleanup. In the summertime, when we're at our busiest, we've got up to 100 contractors working. Without their work, it would be difficult to get all of the trees trimmed, all of the hazard trees removed, and to be able to offer the reliability and the safe delivery of power that Southside Electric's able to offer. We were recognized by the Powhatan County Board of Supervisors for our environmental stewardship and also for our community partnership. We had to remove Leland cypress trees that were impeding our transmission line, and in turn we came back and replanted with a shrubby species to make sure that it never grew up into our transmission lines in the future. So I really want to take this moment to thank all of the vegetation contractors on our system for all that you do to help with our reliability, with the good management practices, trying to take care of the land, trying to take care of members' properties, and really taking ownership in the work that you do. It doesn't go unnoticed, and we truly appreciate it here at Southside Electric. We can use y'all's help too. If you've got a hazard tree on your property that you want to let us know about, you can go to our webpage, and I encourage you to include pictures, include your address or the closest pole number to where this tree is, and then that will help us be able to address it in a timely manner. If you see a tree that's on the line or you see a down line, please do not touch it, because it is for your safety to stay far away from that and let us know as soon as possible. Proactive vegetation management prevents power outages, but it also increases our safety. And that's the mission of Southside Electric, is to provide safe and reliable power.